Welcome! Today I'll take you through the incredible journey of how we built the world's tallest tower, the Burj Khalifa. Let's go back to where it all began. Okay, primary coordinates are set.
Confirmed, GPS is locked. Good, drive the stake for the corner. Marking here.
Perfect. This is the Y-shaped floor plan for Burj Dubai. Note the central core and the 3 extending wings. Okay, we're at 1.5 meters. Extracting now. Careful with the moisture. Seal it.
Inserting probe, density looks good.
For the Y-shaped mat, we need 192 piles for this load.
Will that distribute the load evenly?
Yes, the diagram shows primary paths here. Positioning for first pile. Auger aligned. Clear on the right. Lower slowly. Copy. Holding position. Clear below. Aligned. Hold steady. Dump it. Looks good. Bring it back. Up she goes, steady now. Guide the base, pull left. Almost there, hold steady. Left a bit, hold steady. Good, now center. Perfect, keep it coming. Pour rate is steady, no voids. Confirmed, keep it coming. Panel's coming down, guide it in. Good contact. Secure the braces. Alignment set, next panel. Now watch how we push construction to incredible heights. Keep it steady on the grid. Tying this corner now. Good. Next level ready?
elevator. Confirm load secure.
Load secure, proceeding to drop zone.
Copy. Maintain 200-foot clearance.
We did it! Floor 100!
Teamwork paid off.
Dubai, here we come! We made it. Level 160.
The highest occupied floor in the world.
Look at that view. Incredible. Bolt secure, ready to jack. Copy. Activating hydraulics. Extension looks good. Hold steady.
The spire is assembled inside the base structure. Hydraulic force, then this innovative design allows for compact assembly and tall deployment.
Torque these bolts to spec on the antenna array. Copy that. Running the feed cable up now. Good. Check the lighting sync. Okay, let's get this glass panel set. Support beam coming in. Good. Tap it in. Got it. Solar coating uniformity check passed. Ready for lift. Hook engaged. Clear. Lift slow. Swinging right. Guide it. Aligning. Hold steady. All right, next panel. Ready? Ready. Moving into place. Good. Secure it. Careful with the alignment. This is the double deck section. Understood. Rails are set. Good. Secure it for the 10S test. Up top! Initiate fire system test. Smoke detector activated. Elevator certs are good. Structural checks confirmed. Sign off. Standing here on the completed Burj Khalifa, I can finally say the project is a success. The view is incredible.
And that's how we built the world's tallest tower, from empty desert to 828-meter-inch Rangsinsev. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed this, subscribe and hit the bell for more amazing construction stories. See you next time.